Today on this machine right behind me, we have taken that Autodesk software and we programmed this amazing bald eagle. We're cutting metal right on this machine right now, and this is a work of art. This is not just a big old heavy chunk of aluminum. You guys have seen me make all kinds of parts for different industries, but today we're doing it just because we can, to show you how these machines, they can make anything, and they're awesome. The machine, the relationship with that CAD cam, anything you can think or dream up, we can make it. Titan America is an American job shop. I started this company back in 2005 to serve American industries, from the subsea industries up to the aerospace and everything in between. Let me explain what a job shop is. There's a lot of companies that build specific parts for their industry or their product. A job shop has to be able to do everything. Engineers come to us with a product that they designed, and we bring it to life. We use these CNC machines to mill out plastic, aluminum, steel, titanium, Inconel, carbon fiber, whatever materials that you can think of, we can machine. These machines are incredible, and they are my workhorses. They get the jobs done. This is where we take the raw stock, put it into the machine, use a CAD CAM system like the Autodesk Inventor HSM that I use. We use that to program the machine. We use tools to cut the metal, and then we bring out a finished component that goes through additional processes and then out to the customers. These Haas CNC machines are actually being built right in Oxnard, California, right down Highway 5 down in Southern Cal. Back in 2005, when I started my company, I was invited down to Haas Automation, and I went into this facility not really knowing what to expect. And when the doors opened, I saw 1.5 million square feet of manufacturing. I saw tape on the floors, clean desks, inspection equipment, processes put in place, uniforms, American flag, pride, ingenuity. I saw it all happening in real time down at Haas Automation. This really opened my eyes. For somebody like me who was homeless, who was in prison, who had to overcome obstacles to start my own shop and started with nothing, this was the education I needed. I left Haas, I came up here, and I went straight to uniforms. I put tape on my floor. I straightened my desks up. I straightened up my processes. A lot of people look at me and they're wowed, but I'm just an average American job shop. We're not the biggest, but we're really good at what we do, and we build some amazing products. On the other hand, I look at companies like Haas Automation. These are the guys I gain inspiration from. Haas Automation continues to push that envelope, and America has a history of always pushing the envelope. The American bald eagle was chosen as the country's bird for specific reasons, because of its long life, its strength, its majestic beauty. It represents hope and prosperity for a better future for tomorrow. It represents everything great in this country. This is American pride, it's American manufacturing, and we're just getting started. Boom.